All right, health foodies, gather round, because tonight we're grilling up the juiciest BBQ chicken patties you've ever tasted. I'm telling you, these are so light, yet so packed with smoky, savory flavor you won't believe they're made with ground chicken. Let's jump right into what you'll need. On my rustic kitchen table, I've got 1 pound of ground chicken, a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of your favorite BBQ sauce, a teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a little salt and black pepper, and if you want a pop of freshness, toss in some chopped green onions or parsley. You'll also want extra BBQ sauce for brushing, and if you're feeling fancy, cheddar cheese, buns, crisp lettuce, and pickles for stacking. Ready? Let's get mixing. In a big bowl, add your ground chicken, breadcrumbs, egg, all those bold spices, and don't forget 2 tablespoons of that tangy BBQ sauce. Now gently mix it up, just until it's combined. Trust me, don't overwork it. That's how you keep the patties juicy and tender, not dense. Next, I'll divide the mixture into 4 or 5 even patties. With damp hands, I shape them up, nice and uniform so they cook perfectly. Little tip, flatten them just a bit, they'll hold together better on the grill. Time to fire things up. Grill or pan fry these beauties on medium-high. About 4 to 5 minutes per side, look for those gorgeous grill marks. When you're almost done, brush on more BBQ sauce and let it caramelize into a glossy glaze. That's where the magic happens, y'all. Now, for the best part, serving. I love these on a toasted bun with a slice of cheddar, crisp lettuce, tangy pickles, and a little more BBQ sauce. Slice one open. Look at that steamy, juicy center. Seriously, lighter than beef, but every bit as satisfying. Try it tonight. Healthy meets BBQ delicious. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's keep grilling up good stuff together.